Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Nautilus Reserve. That is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take it for a tour. Okay. And these LEDs, they don't flicker to the human eye. It's just a refresher of the camera that's making them look that way. You see that it does have alloy wheels. Tow package, dual exhaust. There is a spare tire under there. You see that it does have a leather interior. All right, so we'll go ahead and take a tour of the interior. So I mentioned it is a pinhole leather interior, and that does have heated seats in the rear. Okay, let's go ahead and do a... Okay, let's turn that off. And as you look down in the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see that it has 37,234 miles on this vehicle. And then you got your paddle shifters, your stereo controls, your cruise controls. Over here you have your push button start, and you have a piano style shifter. And you got navigation. Okay. We can jump over the stereo and you can see the sources are AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, and Bluetooth. Your climate controls, phone, and your apps and settings, and if you wanted to see the backup camera, and then the 360-degree cameras. As you come down here, you got your other comfort controls. You see that you have both cooled or heated front seats, and then you have a power supply down there, and then you got your key fob, and it has remote start, cup holders, and a USB and additional 12-volt power supply down in there. Glove compartment. And then you've got your map reading lights and your controls for your dual panoramic sunroof. And that about wraps it up for this Lincoln on the interior. See, it does have 3 driver presets. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. It had damage here on the driver's side as a side impact. The airbags deployed, but there was no damage. Damn it. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here on the driver's side. The airbags deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.